Hi guys, today we are going to discuss about the list data type. Okay, it has a lot of flexibility. We can make it concatenate and make it mutable. You can append the data one list to another list. You can add, make it slicing also. Lot of things we have to go as a practical. Okay, first thing I enter this bucket, some values added. Okay, just copy and list.py, paste this one, make it run. Yeah, this is run. Some I have to make a printing the print statement. Print statement. Okay, print bucket. Yes, you run show. Yes. So this is the value. This is the value orange, apple, orange, cherry, mango is added, papaya. Okay, what about next? This one is I have to add one of set of list items. So that's why I make it the concatenate. Make it concatenate. Yeah. So I go for next. Enter. Control V. Enter. Yes. Run this. Okay. List is added. Kiwi, pineapple, cherry, dragon fruit is added. So print bucket. Okay. What is next? This is a mutable. You can add. You can add. So that is a index 3. You can add the list of items. List of items you can add. Copy. I want to add copy banana. I want to add. Okay, go ahead. Banana. Yeah. So banana. The output banana is added. It is the next two because 0, 1, 2, third one is banana. Okay. I can use append command also. I can use. So I want to add a jackfruit. Copy, go ahead. So here, Control V. Yes. So jackfruit is the last item. Last item is added. Okay. Go for next. And I want to take one set of list. That's a bucket. Bucket items should be transferred to fruits. Another list. Control V. Yes, run it. So I run it. This one is added already. Bucket as listed. I have to check also another output that we call fruits. Yeah. Same output has to come. Yeah, same output has to come. Yes. What about next? So items. I want particular items to be transferred to another list. Items equal to bucket. 0, 1, 2. 2 start from 2 up to 5. Okay, I have to add it. This is copy. Go for list 5. Before print statement. Before print statement, you have to go here. Control V, and I want to print the items also. I want to print the item. Yes. Okay. Good. Yeah. The item is started from the cherry. Okay. It's 0, 1, 2. It will start from 2 to up to 5. So up to 5 means banana up to papaya. These items is added in the item list. Okay. We have to make some slicing list. So we have to add particular insert the value in the fruit list. Yes, it is added. So where it is lemon, because I am not printed fruits. Instead of that, use bucket. The same value because we have assigned the values here, in the initial stage. Okay, bucket. So these are the values. Fruits equal to bucket. So the same value replicated here, bucket. Okay. Go for next. Okay. I want to make this list to be empty. Okay, fruit should be empty. Okay. should be empty. I want to remove this one, okay, and before printing statement I have to give the value. Yes, control V, and yeah, print, yeah, 0 the value, because I given only fruits equal to fruits bracket colon. So colon means there is no start from 0 from number of items equal to bracket, that's called empty. Okay, I printed only bucket, the same value assigned here. Okay, and one more thing is here, nested list. Z equal to one type of list, Y also one type of a list. Both lists should be added in the U. So and take the printout. Okay. So before that I have to make it clear this one. Go here. I have to type this control. Okay. Copy and paste. Okay, Z is the list A to J and I to J, like that. Okay. So before that U equal to Z comma Y. Okay. Make it print. So only L is available. What is the meaning that it starts from second list. Second list means Y and third one is 0, 1, 2. That is the third one. Third one is a L. Okay. This is the list items. Okay. Thank you.